Lizzie, hello. Long time no see.
So Percy, since high school. I work here as an assistant professor of Professor Jessica Parker.
Oh. I came to talk to her. Actually, I want to present my task 5 of my reflection about the webinars developed in the WYSIC educational platform for MOOC5.
Percy, well, if you want I evaluated the presentation, I'm ready.
Lizzie, tell me, how do you want me to start the exposure?
Percy, give me the title, date, presenter, course number or name, and where the online presentation took place.
Lizzie, the title of the presentation is Tentatively E-Commerce and Moodle, released on Monday, October 27, 2014 and presented by Knight and Jine.
Now please describe the event briefly.
Okay. The theme of the live class developed in WYSIC platform is about Tentatively E-Commerce and Moodle. The class began with a coordination between an assistant of Dr. Nellie Deutsch, Nancy Zingrone from North Carolina, USA, and the speaker Knight and Jine from India. Knighton presented and shared information about his log and email. He then confirmed with the participants through the chat window, listened and looked good. Knighton tell us that the purpose of this webinar is to show e-commerce and shopping cart features to sell courses with Moodle because currently is a challenge to do that. Then he asked the participants if they also seemed a challenge to do this. He asked to place their responses in the chat box. With the positive responses of the participants, proceeded to explain the solution. For this he developed the following topics. Background. Knighton said Moodle has been popular for more than 10 years. In recent years, many institutions have started online courses and many more are expected to move to this new form of education. Every individual university, schools, colleges, institutes, corporates have their own way of selling courses. The enroll methods he found are: first, Moodle default PayPal payment method. Second, manually advertising courses and accepting manual payments. Third, publishing courses manually on third-party websites, taking online payments, and enrolling into Moodle manually. Fourth, some unmanaged, non-standard customizations to Moodle. Fifth, other third-party vendor who provides SaaS-based e-commerce solution. Knighton said as each enrollment method has its advantages and practical limitations. The best solution to this situation is Moodle e-commerce. Moodle e-commerce is a solution to all e-commerce integration problems in Moodle, which provides full-fledged e-commerce features and fully integrated with Moodle with very simple steps using Moodle web services. The aim of this presentation is to present the thought process for development this plugin, groundwork done to find out the common issues and demand for this type of solutions for any organization, its current status, features, and future roadmaps. In this situation, what happens is that there are limitations on the fluidity, dynamism and of a greater variety of options when buying a course using the Moodle platform. Among the limitations found we can see very basic payment method, where we can only accept a flat price for a course. Only PayPal standard is available out of the box, where a user must have a PayPal account to make payments. For any other payment gateway, we need to develop a plugin. No option to advertise our paid courses separately. No additional e-commerce features like featured products, most sold products, latest products. No discount and coupon features. No invoicing, order report, etc. No option to generate order report, total sell report, etc. No card feature where user can buy more than one course in one transaction. In these respects, the Moodle community is really looking for solutions. How it works: Moodle e-commerce. It would act a separate, front-end web portal which would be available as hosted solution as well as SaaS-based solutions. Would be able to automatically sync and publish all the courses and categories from Moodle to front-end. Can also act as a main corporate website which would also sell courses. Branded as per requirements. Can be further customized as per requirements. All the communication between Moodle and e-commerce portal would be done using Moodle web services only. Secure and safe payment gateway. Moodle e-commerce features single sign-on. Nearly any payment gateway possible. Full-fledged e-commerce solution with all industry standard e-commerce feature available today. Discount coupons. Best sellers, featured products. Various reports can be generated. 100% customizations and branding possible. Cart feature where one user can purchase multiple courses in single transaction. Ability to purchase courses for a group in a single transaction. Ability to display latest courses, most selling courses, featured courses, etc. Multiple currency. Multiple language. Extensive search. Reviews and ratings for courses. After he explained the main features of the software, Mr. Knighton showed us some screenshots of some of the features of the software and asked if we have some question about the topic. Also he shared his email, knightonwavesmail.com, and finished the exposure.
Percy, interesting exposure. Now answer me this question.
Ask Lizzie.
Did you connect with the other attendees and or the speaker? If so, how?
Yes, there was an interaction between the speaker and the live class attendees. Through the use of text, emoticons and other symbols used from the chat box menu by participants, easy communication and interaction ensured.
What questions came up as during the event?
The following questions were presented at the exposure. What is Moodle? What are the enrollment methods in Moodle? What is Moodle e-commerce? How it works Moodle e-commerce? What are the main Moodle e-commerce features?
Percy, how did the content relate to you as a teacher and or learner or individual?
As a teacher, the content has to do with knowing and manage the different enrollment methods in Moodle for the courses I create. As a student, the content is related also to know these different enrollment methods in Moodle to take courses. As an individual, the content is related to the knowledge that with the Moodle e-commerce software I can enroll in a course anytime and in different ways.
Good, Percy. Other question. What were some of the thoughts that went through your mind during the event?
My first thought was the desire to obtain information about the basic definitions about enrollment methods in Moodle. My second thought is to know what challenges have the Moodle enroll process. Another thought was know what is Moodle e-commerce and Moodle web services and his features. Finally, I thought apply all or some of knowledge for the planning of my own Moodle platform.
How did you feel during the event? If you felt good, what made you feel good? If you felt discomfort, what made you feel discomfort?
I felt good at the event. What made me feel good at the event was I learned about Moodle enrollment methods, a topic unknown to me. Another thing that made me feel good was knowing that with this information I can create a good payment gateway for the Moodle platform that I plan to build.
What challenges might you encounter in implementing some of the ideas?
The first challenge is to create my work group for develop my Moodle platform. The second challenge is to select the proper version of Moodle that work with Moodle e-commerce software and then integrate both with the Moodle web services for optimize the students' enrollment. The third challenge is knowing and applying all the features of Moodle e-commerce for adequate monetization of the course and enrollment of students.
What steps can you take to resolve the challenges?
First, see the tutorials and practice in the use of the Moodle version selected and of Moodle e-commerce software. Second, learn and practice the Moodle e-commerce software features. Third, with the programmer planning and run the integration between my Moodle version, Moodle e-commerce software and Moodle web services.
Percy, well, it seems that everything you have planned. Tell me, Percy, what would you like to do in the future as a result of what you heard, read, saw in the event?
The answer is simple, Lizzie. Apply everything learned about this topic for my own Moodle platform.
Logical. Last question. Write a question or two that you would like to look into as a result of the event.
First question, where I can download the latest version of Moodle. Second question, where I can download the Moodle e-commerce software and where to find the Moodle web services site.
Percy, well, we finished. You passed the last task with honors.
Thanks, Lizzie. With this exposure I close the reflections on tasks for the MM5. Well, we are in contact and greetings to Jessica. Bye bye.
Bye, Percy, and good luck.
Good luck to you too.